I'm Fred Knox. I'm the Vice President of Global Medical Sales for Boyd Corporation. Being a 3M preferred converter means being part of an elite network of converters that have access to the best technical expertise and materials in the industry. The Preferred Converter program puts Boyd in partnership with the #1 name in pressure-sensitive adhesives in the medical industry. Having access to their fast turn sample program and pricing structure allows us to be first to market with the solutions we offer to our customers. 3M offers the largest stock portfolio of medical device adhesives in the industry, allowing our customers to come to market quicker and be more successful. 3M's technical support team is second to none. They offer expertise in not only their materials, but other materials and processes. We can oftentimes lean on 3M for support with materials and processes that don't have anything to do with their products. 3M will leverage their local, corporate, and global manufacturing resources to bring us solutions to our problems. 3M's stock portfolio of products that offer low MOQs, quick turnaround times, and complete biocompatibility testing put 3M in a different category apart from their competition. I like working with 3M because of the relationships we've built over the years, allowing us to call on them for the problems that we face every day. Working with 3M will give you access to quality products coupled with manufacturing expertise and technical support.